Yo, what is good, people? We're back at it again. Got another sneaker review for you guys. This is going to be the Bape Roadsters. Yeah, the purple colorway. Back in your friendly neighborhood, vintage shop, feel goods. Checking out these sneakers right here, man. I've seen a lot about them. Haven't really heard a lot about them, but now we got a review for you guys today. As always, continue to support the channel. We love all the comments in the comment section. Let us know what country you're from, where you're watching. I got people in Korea watching. I got people in Brazil watching, Vietnam. It's crazy. So yeah, thanks for all the support. And if you like the channel, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's hop into the review. So let's hop into the box. Pretty standard box here. I mean, the sneakers are gonna be $320, so you don't want too much of a standard box. As you can see, this like pulls out like a drawer style, which is pretty dope. Paper inside is not too special. It's just got the standard Bape, pattern on the paper there. As always, they give you this card here with the warning on the back, all the washing, the boring stuff. Nobody cares about that. And then we get this dust bag, which I think is pretty dope. Whenever you're paying $320 for a pair of sneakers, you kind of want it to feel a little bit luxurious. You don't want just nothing in it. Like what were the sneakers? Some of these Jordans, they cost $220, and then you open the box and there's no extra laces in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, you pay $320, you get a nice box, you get a nice bag. Pretty cool addition. And then when we hop into the sneakers, you do see a lot of patent leather on here. It might scare some people with the shininess of it, but if you got the right type of drip, if you're able to pull it off, I feel like if you're gonna wear this with something, the top kind of has to be a little bit plain. Not plain, but you can't have too much going on because your feet already got a lot going on. You know what I'm saying? So when you look at the shoe, it's just tons of patent leather, but real nice quality patent leather. There's some patent leather that's really, really nasty, like on the Jordan 1s, the patent leather, some of them, they're not so high quality, I would say, but these ones, I mean, they're from Japan, so they gotta be a little bit better quality, right? All right, y'all, so I took a look around the shop and I found, y'all know I love these Carhartt jackets, man. These vintage Carhartt jackets, man. So I got me a Carhartt jacket. I found the Stussy Bape collaboration. Look at this. Huh? You likes that? Yeah, Stussy don't only make collaborations with Nike, they also do they also do it with real companies, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all rate the fit. I might have to look around a little bit more, try to find something else, but y'all rate the fit, man, with the sneakers, with the jacket, with the hat, the Bape, you know what I'm saying, how we do. And this jacket's got a little bit of Nacho Libre going on in here, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of Mexicano heritage in there, you know what I'm saying? So let me know how y'all feel about the fit on a scale from 1 to 1,000. How fresh is it? Let me know. Drop it in the comments. Like I said, I might need to find something else to put on. Just give me a second right here. The Bapester logo right here is going to be in purple camo with Bape heads on the front side, and then also on the medial side, the Bape head is upside down, which is cool. Whenever you're looking at the sneaker, whenever you're walking, you look from the right, from the left. There's like one that's straight up, and then there's one that's down or upside down. So that's pretty cool. Also here on the back side, we got another Bapester logo. It's actually backwards on this shoe. It is on this shoe, so whenever you're walking, it looks like this. Which I had to stop for a second because I didn't realize if it was backwards or if I was tripping. As we look at the bottom here, we also got a fat Bapester logo, 2 of them actually. One on the front, one on the back. This air bubble, this like Air Max type bubble. So this shoe, I would like to think of it as Bapes try to take a shot at the Air Max, right? So the Bapesters are kind of like the Air Force Ones. These are the Roadsters. These are kind of like the Air Maxes. So if you look at the bubble here, I mean, I don't know if this is Air Max quality. In my opinion, it looks a bit better when it's all the way open. Here on the back, instead of there being just like a little slit, how there usually is on, like, you said the Air Max 1, or I mean, I guess the 97s have a little bit more of bubble exposed, but I really like the way they did that all the way around the back. You can see the bubble. It's a nice aesthetic to the shoe, a nice addition to the sneaker. Yeah, as far as the paneling, it's almost the same paneling as well as the Air Max. If you look at an Air Max 1 or something, it looks pretty much the same as far as the paneling and the way that they go. Here, of course, you're just gonna have way more colors and the same fabric all the way around, except for the swoosh is a leather. Everything else is gonna be a patent leather. You got more of a magenta purple here. Then you got like a deep purple classic camo babe color here. And then on the inside, you got like a lightish pink purple, which is also on the Babesta logo right here. But yeah, man, all in all, it's a pretty nice sneaker. The price is gonna be $320, like I said. No extra laces inside, but a pretty cool box and a dust bag, which is super dope addition to the sneaker. And the sizing, so with these, normally I wear a 46. 47 in Nike and Adidas, you know, sometimes you gotta go 47 and a half or 47 and 1/3 because Adidas is weird with the sizing. These ones are gonna be a size 13, which is gonna be a 37 and 1/2. As far as the sizing goes, I'm not sure if these actually come in a half size. I think with Babestas, it's pretty tough to get in a half size. I think they only have those in Japan. It's like the 3XL on the hoodies and the shirts. They only have those in Japan. So if you want to get those half sizes or like extra big sizes, you have to be in Japan or know someone who can send it to you and pay tons of tax on it. But I would actually go down half a size. If you can't get the pair that is a 12 and a half, what I would do is possibly put one of these like crease protectors, because this is patent leather. As soon as you crease these, man, ciao, finito. Because I mean, it's the same with the Jordan 11s, right? So the Jordan 11s, they got the patent leather on there. If you scuff those, it's done. You know, there's no way to get that back. And so if you're gonna have these and you have to go up a size or half a size in what you actually would wear, I would suggest getting a crease protector. That's gonna free up a little bit of space here in the toe box, which is nice. Other than that, you can always double sock it up, you know what I'm saying? Safety first, yeah, I would actually go down half a size, probably get a 12 in these, or a 46, you know, just so that they're a little bit more snug and maybe not creasing so much. But yeah, all in all, a pretty nice shoe. Let us know how you guys are rocking with these, man. If you guys think it's too much patent leather, if Babesta should just stick with the basics, you know, with the Babestas and the Skatestas and all that stuff like that. Let us know how you guys are feeling in the comments, man. I'm gonna try to find something here and Feel Good to throw this on with, try to do a little styling video for you guys. I know I'm trying to get back into my styling thing, you know what I'm saying? I know you guys, like I said, you guys keep me honest in the comments. If I'm looking whack or if I'm looking good, y'all be like, hey, drip. If not, it's like, hey, no, you know? So I'm gonna try to throw on some styling for you guys, find something here and Feel Goods and check it out. All right, here we go, take two. Fit number 2. Let me see how y'all feeling about this one. We got the Supremery. We got the Coach jacket. You know what I'm saying? Go with the sneakers. This is what I'm saying. You can't have so much going on. You can't be, you know, I wouldn't wear like camo with the camo on the camo on the shoes and then a camo jacket or camo pants or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it light with the blue jeans and then throw something simple on up top. You know what I'm saying? Like the Coach jacket. You know? Again, let me know how y'all feeling about the fit. I'm gonna scale from 1 to 1,000. Don't be shy. You know what I'm saying? You know, show your boy some love. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up from our side, guys. Let us know how you guys are feeling about the video, about the sneakers, about the fits. You know what I'm saying? Show some love. Let us know where you're watching from. Like I said, we already got people from Korea, Vietnam, you know, of course, America, Germany, UK type stuff, man. Give a shout out from where you're from. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Continue to stay awesome, continue to stay fresh, and be blessed. Peace.